I know at the beginning of this, you had told me that you had a gift for people. Tell us about that. How can they get that?
Sure. I think in one of our conversations, I said that I really, really hate objections, and I've spent my whole career trying to figure out how to stop getting people to object so I don't have to deal with their objections.
Right.
But people being what they are, we will develop a policy. We will say, hey, this is the death benefit we've identified. This is the premium. And the person will say, well, that's way too much money, or that's too high a premium. So premium-based objections a lot of times catch us in I don't know what to do about that. The price is the price. And so I have a tool called the money math of risk transfer. And any of your agents who are watching this can get it at crushpremiumobjections.com. So CRUSH premium objections with an S plural.com.
Love
And
that.
what it'll give you is a very simple process that starts with one very simple question, which is compared to what? It's 3 words. Compared to what? And usually just asking that question alone just stops them in their tracks, right? Because they say that's expensive. Compared to what? And what we show them is a mathematical calculation of how to get the client to actually realize that it's extraordinarily inexpensive. So can I do it with you here real quick
Yeah,
to just
let's do it.
demonstrate what I'll get? So clear out your calculator and put in a $1,000 premium. So $1,000.
Okay.
And then I'm going to have you divide it by the $1 million death benefit. And tell me what the result in the calculator is.
0.001.
Okay. So tenths, hundredths, thousandths, right? That's the fraction. But now we got to turn that into money. So multiply it by times 100.
Okay.
And that
Point
should
one.
say zero point 0.1. Okay. That's not 1 cent. That's 1/10 of 1 cent. So
Okay.
what we're saying is for every dollar of benefit you're purchasing, you're paying 1/10 of 1 cent for it. Looked at another way, I take 1 penny, I get a really sharp saw, I divide it into 10 pieces, I take one of those slivers. That is what you're paying for each dollar of future death benefit. I am legally prevented from giving it to you for 0 because we have to have a legal contract, which is the exchange of value, the promise of the death benefit for the premium. But have I gotten as close to 0 to buy these dollars? Because we certainly don't want to buy them dollar for dollar. We don't want to pay 100 cents for a dollar. We
Right.
want to pay the fewest cents. So is 1/10 of 1 cent, because the only thing below that is 0 cents, it's 0 tenths, and I can't do that.
Right.
Have I gotten as close as I possibly can to getting every dollar for your family in the future for the lowest possible cost? And the client says, what's so beautiful is they have a complete mind shift, and they always say, how does the life insurance company do it for so little money? And as soon as they say so little money, I know the premium objection is done, and they move forward. So
Yeah,
uh,
that's good.
so if they go to crushpremiumobjections.com, that entire thing that I just described is all spelled out there, the script, the math, the presentation of that solution. And if they would like to have a conversation with me about anything that I can do to help their agency succeed, there's a little questionnaire that they can fill out, send that back to me, and I'd be more than happy to jump on a call with them and just see if there's anything I can do to help them.